So there it is printing. Don't know what I'm printing because it just said box 75mm test G code. But there is my PLA that came free with it. There is my whatever it is printing. Readout telling me it's doing okay. Some flashy lights. What we do like to see is no smoke or flames. I've printing for quite a while now. While we have the clearance, then watching this, up here, Z moves by 0.2mm every time it goes up. So at the moment I've printed 11.2mm, and in a moment Z will twist. And now we're 0.2mm higher. I'm trying to work out what the rest of the stuff is. Printing 14%. So it's going to be a big thing, even though I didn't know what it was. And the filament that came with it may run out. So we'll never know. But it looks like it's something round with feet.